Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically update the software on your Nintendo Switch so you don't have to go to a game and then prompt it to update. Well, there is a easy setting just to have on your Nintendo Switch. So let's go back to the home screen, then go to System Settings, scroll on down, go to System, and then go to the right. And make sure this setting is turned on. It is called Auto Update Software. This is turned on right here. Then you can go back. I believe if you've used the game currently or in the past, if it's on the home screen here, it should stay up to date. Now, sometimes if the game hasn't been used for a while, you might still have to go to it and update it. So if I go to like Super Mario Odyssey, I still have to update this because I haven't used it in a long time. So if you're currently using the game, I would say maybe within the last 30 days, it should stay updated. But if you haven't used it in a couple months, it's probably not going to be updated. So just a heads up. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.